In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit products on Podia. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust so your product details, pricing, availability, content, and sales page all match your goals. Start on your Podia dashboard. This is your control center, and it's where you can access everything related to your products. From the sidebar, click Products. You'll see a list of everything you've created. Find the product you want to change and click Edit next to it. This opens the product editor where most of your updates will happen. Let's begin with the Details tab. Here you can update the product name right in the name field. Podia saves changes automatically, so you don't have to hunt for a save button. Keep your name clear and customer focused so people instantly understand what they're getting. Next, head to the Pricing tab. This is where you set the price and choose payment options. You can set a one-time price, offer payment plans, or even subscriptions if that suits your product. Think about how your audience prefers to pay. Payment plans can lower the barrier to purchase, while subscriptions work well for ongoing value, like communities or recurring content. Move to the Availability tab. Here you're controlling who can purchase the product and when they can start. Use this to open or limit access, and set a start date if you're preparing a timed launch. This is especially useful if you want to build anticipation or coordinate a cohort start. Now let's update the actual product content. From your products list, click Edit on the product, then go to the Content tab. Click the title of any file or lesson you want to edit. Make your changes to the title or content and save. If you're adding new material, choose the content type that fits best and use the available buttons to upload or insert it. Keep your naming consistent and organize lessons so learners can progress without confusion. Finally, let's polish your sales page. Go back to Products in the sidebar. Click the three dots next to your product and select Edit Sales Page. Hover over any section you want to change and click the plus symbol to add a new one. Use the Content tab to adjust